What's up, guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome back to another episode of 410 Drone and Travel. This is going to be the first episode since getting the Mavic 2 Zoom. I was over on the eastern shore of Maryland, the heart of the Chesapeake Bay, and I took the Zoom with me. I figured let's get some footage, see if we can make an episode out of it, and here we go. If this is your first time here, please make sure you hit those subscribe buttons, hit the bell icon for notifications of all my new videos, and if you like this video, make sure you hit that like button. And I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get into it.